Hey, let's make a Mother's Day card. She's gonna love it. Head over to my Etsy store and download your printable sheets. It also includes a supplies list. Start by cutting two 11 by 17 inch pieces for the front and back, followed by a 2 inch by 17 inch gusset piece. Place those cut pieces firmly together and tape them. Once you have the inside taped together, fold the card in half and tape the spine as well. It helps give it stability and keep it from flopping around. With your foam cord taped together, it's now time to print your downloaded sheets. There's 4 of them. Adhere the front cover to the front and then the remaining 3 pages to the inside. Then grab your chocolate bars and start placing them. The open space on the bottom of the right-hand side is a spot where you can write your personal messages for Mom. Feel free to grab your markers and stickers and design away. Have fun with it. Enjoy!